Alrighty. In this episode, or I guess in this video for SudsyCRM, we're going to be talking about payments and contracts. We're going to be talking about the payments field in SudsyCRM. So you can see SudsyCRM's here, and you're going to see a little box on the left side that says payments. Now, can you do all your billing in here? You can. It depends what you're doing. You can do subscriptions if you want to do that type of thing. So if you want to do subscriptions for your customers, like let's say a wash program, you can run it through your CRM. You can do invoices and estimates. You can also do like auto reminders. So if people aren't paying, you can do that. It does sync with QuickBooks. If you're using QuickBooks, syncs with it. If you want to do recurring invoices, like let's say, for example, you things like Urjan and me will invoice each other's businesses every month and then we get them paid. But it's all automatic, so you don't have to do it. Here, it's really easy. Settings are here. And you can kind of go into like add your business logo, your address, all your information here, email configuration. So what you kind of want the from name and the from email, terms you want every estimate, invoice, pretty self-explanatory, notifications, settings, that type of thing. What's cool about the CRM too, that we don't really talk about, is when you e-sign stuff, you sign all those important documents and you have to e-sign them and you're like, oh, how do I e-sign? I might have to pay or something. You can actually do that right in the CRM. So you can upload a PDF that you fill in, add the boxes, just like you would on like Adobe or whatever you're using. And then you can actually send it to the person, have them e-sign it, and then send it back. You e-sign it, and then you both get a copy. So that's just something else you can do in the CRM that we don't really talk about. So any documents or anything you want signed, you can do it right here. Add a little field. Like, let me see if I can do something real quick. I want to see if there's any. Let's just do this proposal thing. That's just a basic template that's going to load in. This isn't something that I've made already, but it will give you kind of an idea of what you can do. So once this fills in, does all this, and it doesn't be fancy like the ones you're doing. Mine are usually just plain paper. But if you want to do a contract, you can easily do that. So this is just a basic proposal. This is just all templated up. And what you can do, you can see signatures here. You can click on it, be signed by me. Same with this, date, signed by me. And then you can pick whatever contacts. You can also add more fields. Like if you want to add like a fillable text field, like enter your name. Let's say here, I could put this anywhere I want. Let's say I want to do that there. I want to add their credit card details. So like, let's say I want to get their credit card details so that, when this contract's done, I have access to it and I can bill them, put that there. And then how you would do that, I'm just going to back out. You can click send or give them a link and then they'll sign, go to their email and text and all that. And then all you got to do for the credit card stuff is just go into payments and you can set up here. It's either in settings or integration. Integrations. So that's Stripe, Square, all the stuff you tend to use. And there's more in here as well. So you can configure providers, you can search for more. You also can do orders. So if let's say you have a store that you made like as a web page and use the template or built your own, all your orders will show up here. Subscriptions is just if you're billing someone every single month or within a certain amount of time. Payment links, this would be if you want to make someone pay, let's say, a flat deposit of $125. You can send them a link, so they click on it, and then they can pay it, and then it goes right to you. Transactions would be all the transactions in your CRM. Products. If you have an online store and you want to set it up through the CRM, because you can host a store through it, you can put all your products here, all your items. So like if you're doing services, selling things, that type of stuff. Coupons, very self-explanatory. You coupon, they can use it or you can apply it. Gift cards. So if you want to use a gift card for your customers and you want to run it through SudsyCRM, you can. This can be used in your stores, on invoices, everything. If you are selling any product, I find this works very well. And you can, if you want to sell tint or whatever, I really like it for that. It also is great because you can do automation. So someone buys, let's say, tint, and you want to send them a link of how to do hand cutting or a video, or let's say they buy a strength detail spray and you want to automatically send a video how to use it, you can do that. So if you have products that require maybe some more instruction, You can like in 2 days send them this, 1 day. And it's all by automations, and you can do all that. So it's kind of cool. This is something where we don't really talk about. This is a very well built thing for invoices, contracts, signing, order, subscription, anything for payments. This is very well built. Integrates with QuickBooks as well. You can put gift cards through here, and it really amplifies your business. So if you haven't messed with this already, and dip your toes into it. Your toes a little bit into it and see what you think. I like the documents and contracts, the e-sign stuff. It works great. Subscriptions is another thing. We don't charge you extra to do subscriptions. Some processors do that. We do not. The only thing that you might get charged if like Stripe or Square charges something, but like we're not charging you more to do this and do it on your behalf. No, you pay your monthly rate. That's good enough for us. And then yeah, you can do all that. So if you want to do an invoices or estimates and kind of work this into what you're doing, this will automate a lot of stuff for you. Same with if you want to do this like for a store, or there's also options for online booking. You can do that too. If you guys have any questions about anything here, don't be afraid to ask. There isn't much I can drop for this. It's just kind of like a quick show and tell what this software can do. But if you have any questions, reach out in the comments below, send us an email, and we'll get those answered for you. Have a great day.